so the first step, I'm just gonna be setting guidelines. I'm gonna go in with my trimmer, with the lever open, and with the 1 guard lever open on top, setting some guidelines, and after that, I'll teach you guys how to blend every line step by step. Simple. Lever open now. One guard lever open. Going a finger above. Go ahead and remove all this bulk right here at the bottom with my Low Pro FX. Next thing, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of baby tap this line right here. Just very gently, just move the line a little bit. We're not gonna bald anything out yet. We're gonna wait till the very last step to do that. Now with my saber clipper, I'm gonna go with the lever open and kind of just refine that line that we set. I'm just gonna go back and forth over here. Just make sure that everything's nice and consistent. So I go through the line, gonna go 3/4 now. Kind of repeat the same process, but go a little bit lower. Midway, we go midway point of that line. Now I'm gonna close it and hit the beginning of the line. Over here, around the edge, I kind of want to put it in the middle now. Open it up little by little. 1 guard lever open now. Gonna go a finger again. Just refine the line again. If you guys have to go back, just make sure everything's nice and smooth. I'm gonna slowly just start closing it little by little. So we're going from 3/4 to all the way to closed position. Close right here, midway. Opening it all the way. It doesn't stop there because we have to attach our 0.5 guard. I'm gonna start with the lever open. So at the start of the 1 guard lever open, we're gonna basically be hitting it with the 1/2 guard, pretending to kind of like split that line in half in a sense. So much of this is also lever play. So just looking at the fade and either opening or closing the lever. Now, since the top of his hair is probably like maybe like a 4 or 5, we're gonna go in with the 3 guard lever open. Create the last, so this is kind of like the last big guard we're gonna use. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and close it and just kind of just tap this line right here around the edges. And now we're gonna work our way lower. So biggest guard is 3.5. Next, we're gonna use the 2 and then the 1.5 guard. So this is our line right here. After the 1 guard lever open, we're gonna use the 2 guard lever open to go a finger above. So I always do kind of like pinky or index finger, whatever. Doesn't really matter as long as you guys go one finger above. Gonna close it, and that same line right there, we're just gonna tap it. Here we have this right here to use the 1.5 guard. 1.5 guard, same thing. We're gonna go about a finger. That line that we're trying to get rid of. I'm gonna start closing it little by little using the corners. It's 3/4 open. Once we go 3/4 open, I'm gonna go almost a quarter closed now. And if you guys feel like you guys need to hit it closer to the guideline, close it a little bit more. Just playing it a little safe. Now it's closed all the way. I'm gonna use our shaver now.